children. Today we are going to learn about the various parties like Bharatiya Janata Party, Indian National Congress, the All India Trunmul Congress and the National Congress Party. First we will start with the Bharatiya Janata Party. Bharatiya Janata Party, in short we called as BJP. BJP was found in 1980. In 1980, formally BJP party was formed but its roots are spread over means there was a party Bharatiya Janata Sangh, Bharatiya Jan Sangh. It was formed by Shama Prasad Mukherjee in 1951, and in 1977 Bharatiya Jan Sangh party was disintegrated and Janata party is formed in collision. It works up till 1980, and in 1980 Janata party also splitted. So by capitalizing Bharatiya Jan Sangh, the Bharatiya Janata Party is formed. Like this BJP party forms. So we will learn about the ideology of this party. Ideology of this party was, as all the parties have their own ideology, their own philosophy, BJP is focusing on India's and ancient culture and value, and they tried to revive, and they told if they form the government they will emphasize this integral humanism and Antodaya. Both the concepts were given by Deen Dayal Upadhyay. Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay was Bharatiya Jansangh member, provides the base of his ideologies to this organization. So because of this, BJP party comes up and it supports this ideology. The next is integral humanism. Integral humanism means what? It means that if you see Western society, in that human being is not the core of society. Society is not revolving around the human being. It revolves around the other things. Concept of integral humanism given was by Deen Dayal is human being should be the integral part and human being should be the core of the society. So BJP incorporate in our propaganda, our party manifesto and exhibits in his ideology. Next is Antodaya. Antodaya, this idea was also given by Deen Dayal Upadhyay. Antodaya means the last man standing in a row should get the welfare scheme. Cultural nationalism. BJP also focus on cultural nationalism. What was the cultural nationalism? Cultural nationalism is similar to Hindutva. Hindutva means art of living. It does not means Hinduism. You see our ancient culture, it is made from Hindutva, like the ideology, like Vasudev Kutumbakam. Means Kutumbakam means whole world is our family. This concept is the ideology of our country, and it not related to any religion. So they said they will focus on cultural nationalism. So the cultural nationalism should be the Indian nationhood. The next is integration of Jammu and Kashmir. When BJP party was formed, it was BJP party's core agenda integration of Jammu and Kashmir. The special status given to Jammu and Kashmir, it has to be removed, and they done it. Like you have seen, the article 370 is scrapped. Recently this is happened, as you have seen in the news. Hmm? The next is uniform civil code. How the uniform civil code will come? Means in our country there are different religions, there are different practices, their concepts, different rituals are there, and these should be removed and made equal, and it also given in our directive principle of state policy. All these are ideological base of BJP party. And increase in support base. In the beginning, BJP party has to struggle uh, to get in power, but slowly the support get increases. In 1998, first time BJP party comes in power. After up till 2014, it became the largest party. The next is Indian National Congress, INC. Indian National Congress was one of the oldest party formed in 1885. As we know, our many national leaders were working in these parties. This party base was started by a Britisher, not by an Indian. And this party played a dominant role in Indian politics for decades after independence. After the independence means from 1947 up till 1977, 3 decades they rule in center. Now we will talk about the ideology of this party. What was the ideology of Indian National Congress? First, it aspires to build modern secular democratic republic in India. Here I will tell you the word to word meaning. Aspires to build modern secular means they expect that the country should be modern state like western countries. There are three concepts: lefties, righties and centrist. Lefties, righties and centrist. In this, BJP is rightist party, means uh, sub rightist means our ancient culture, which supports righties means our ancient culture which do not want change and wants to continue our previous system. And Congress party is the centrist party, means nor it supports to right nor it supports to left. It means that it doesn't wants to follow the ancient culture, it doesn't want to follow the western, but what is going on, it should be there. Okay, so right means those who don't want change, left means those who want the change, and center means those who want the things as they are going. So Congress is centrist party, aspire to build modern, I told you. Then secular all of you know that secular means the all the religions should be equally promoted. Democratic means all should have the democratic rights. Republic means head of the state should be elected person. Hmm? And Congress wants to make the India like this. Now the second ideology is centrist party. Already I explained you. Centrist party supports new economic reform with human face. Means change should come. Economic reform should come. Human face means it should be human touch. Means it should be thought about the human beings. And the ideology of the party third ideology of the party is ruling party of the center till 1977 to 1980-89. It works as a ruling party up till 1977. After 1977, many parties make coalition and form the government, and in 1980 again Congress party comes in power. It was the time when late Sri Rajiv Gandhi was prime minister. After 1989, the leader of UPA, again the coalition government was formed in our country up till 2004, and 2004 again the power comes to Congress party, but there is not clear majority but made an coalition. So leader of UPA means United Progressive Alliance, it comes in power from 2004 up till 2014, and this was the period when Dr. Manmohan Singh was prime minister. And in 2014 it loses the election and BJP comes in power. Then principle of opposition party form. Then it works as principal opposition party. Next, we will talk about All India Trinamool Congress. It is also one of the national party. Uh, First, we will see the meaning of the name of the party. Trinamool Congress. Trinamool Congress means grassroots level. We can see the symbol that it is having the grass with flowers. Okay, so this party was launched on 1st January 1998 and it was formed by Mamta Banerjee. It was also the one of the splitted party from Congress and it is recognized as national party in 2016. Okay, and it committed to secularism and federalism. This party was committed to, it means that this party was committed to secularism and federalism. As you know, the meaning of secularism means all religions should be equally treated, and federalism means center and state should maintain cordial relations. Okay, and symbol of this party is grass and flowers. It comes in power since 2011 in West Bengal. It also works in Andhra Pradesh, Manipur and Tripura. In the general election 2014, as this time Trinamool Congress get 3.84% votes and 34 seats. And in 2014 Lok Sabha, it was the fourth largest party, but this data is according to 2014 according to our textbook, and according to 2019 it is totally changed, but we are learning according to our textbook. So according to 2014 election, it is the fourth largest party. The next party is National Congress Party. This party was formed in 1999. Our previous party, Indian National Congress Party, has split party has splits time to time. From that, one of the splits in NCP under the leadership of Sharad Pawar, and it known as Nationalist Congress Party. First, we will see the symbol. As you are seeing in the picture, the symbol is a clock. Okay, the new the ideology of this party is it promotes democracy, Gandhian secularism, equity, social justice, and federalism. Democracy, all of you know. Gandhian secularism, meaning of the secularism also you know, and the Gandhian word is joined before that, but it should that all should be equally, and here equity means there should be equality in people. Social justice means people should get justice socially, and federalism means the coordinate relation in maintaining between center and states, and wants this party wants that high offices in government be confined to natural born citizens of country. This is the main reason of this split. Like Sonia Gandhi was become a prominent figure in 1999. Sonia Gandhi is a prominent figure of Congress party. That time she started to take part actively in politics. So Sharad Pawar's intensive of splitting the National Congress Party was this, that he wants that high offices in government be confined to natural born citizens of country. And so Sonia Gandhi is born in Italy. So Sharad Pawar not accepting these things, he wants that natural born citizens of country should be high offices. A major party in Maharashtra. It also works in Meghalaya, Manipur and Assam. So this is also national party according to the criteria that we have learned. And since 2004, a member of United Progressive Alliance, after 2004, it changes that these parties are different but mutually they came together and they support their alliance in UPA.